Hi. Hello. Perch picnic area. A family of geese is gathered here, just relaxing under the great blue sky, scratching their feathers. Can't get any closer without getting some of those, what do they call them? Prickly, well, without getting some of those prickly seeds stuck on my. There's one just waving its wings. Here I am about to finish my walk. Over here by Lake Park, Lewisville. And I think I see something over there, though I can't quite make out what it is. That bird, that black bird. They're fishing over there by that fishing pontoon. And they're fishing over there by that fishing pontoon over there. The two outdoorsmen just relaxing on this Tuesday, June 28th. Yeah, I gotta chillax over here. Wait a minute. Is that what I think it is? It's a buzzard. It's a buzzard. My God. Something must be on roadkill. Here, let me see if I can capture another one. It's a buzzard. Or a vulture. I think it's a vulture. Could be a vulture by the shape of its head.